Welcome, welcome. In this episode on Cruising on Southern Star, we're crossing the Okeechobee Waterway, Day 2, from Indiantown to Moorhaven. Be sure you stay tuned to the end of the video. I'm going to have another PDF listing of all the bridges and locks for Day 2. Hey, post in the comment below how you get your day started. This is how my day starts cruising on Southern Star, every day with a hot cup of coffee. Here's a screenshot from my Navionics chart of what our day is going to look like. Starting off in Indiantown, all the way on the right, traveling all the way across the Okeechobee Waterway to Moorhaven. Well, I know the suspense is killing you, so we're going to get right to it. The dreaded Hatchet Bridge, which is also known as the Port Mayaka Railway Lift Bridge. Hatchet Bridge is definitely much more appropriate. The bridge clearance is listed on the chart as 49 feet. My mast height, not including any antennas, is 48.1 inches. Uh-oh. Will we make it? Stay tuned. And here's a chart showing the location of the Hatchet Bridge. It's located right here, just before you get into the Port Mayaka Lock, which opens into the beautiful Okeechobee Lake. And here is the dreaded Hatchet Bridge. Doesn't it look like a big guillotine? Let's hope the Hatchet Bridge is nice to us. I wonder if there's a Hatchet Bridge dance we can do. If anybody knows, comment below. Thank you. But it always looks close. I think we're gonna make it.
I think we are too.
I think we'd be hitting right now if we're not gonna make it. Oh my God!
Touch the window.
It touched the window.
The
Windex.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's squeaking through. I don't know if y'all can see. I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Woo, 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 we made it. And here we are exiting the Port Mayaka Locks. And right over here you can see beautiful Lake Okeechobee in the distance. We're almost there. And we're leaving the Port Mayaka Locks behind us. And we are now officially in Lake Okeechobee. It's blowing about 10 knots today. We got a little bit of a chop, probably a couple foot chop, the beam of us, so we're bouncing around a little bit. But as you can see, I'm going in the sun, sorry. I'll pan around here. There you go. No land over there as far as you can see. Lake Okeechobee. We came in last night. We're in Moorhaven. We came in through the lock at the very last lock opening, through the railroad bridge, which I told you we had to wait at least, oh my gosh, at least 20 minutes for. We think the guy was sleeping in his truck or maybe imbibing in his favorite beverage. But anyway, it all worked out. We're now in Moorhaven. Actually, this is the next morning. It was dark when we came in. And we are at the River House Marina. And the way we acquired our reservations, we had to go to docwa.com. Very, very simple. Just made the reservation and here we are. Panning around. There's a